Save it as e.java. Save it as e.java. Control S. Save it as e.java. These are int literals. In the single line comment, I'll mention int literal or a value. In a single line comment, control S. In a single line comment. No? What is the problem? Maybe system might have stored. Go for Alt F-A. Alt F-A. Int literal. Integer value. Compile and run. Just to go back to the previous programs and check it out. In all the previous programs, we printed a string. Try composing this type of program. You will be getting hello from A. String should be specified under double quotation. Come to the b.java. Under double quotation, I'm from B. Under double quotation, I'm from B. C.java. Again under double quotation, 3 lines. Under double quotation, 3 lines. Under double quotation, whatever you are giving, that is a string. Under double quotation, whatever you are giving, that is a string. String. Come to the E class. It is an int value. A number without a decimal. A number without a decimal is an int value. A number without a decimal is an int value. A number without a decimal. A number without a decimal is an int value. A number without a decimal is an int value. Come to the F class. Let me give a comment, single line comment, double value. Number with a decimal, any number with a decimal. Through control J, we can reproduce the same line. Even negative also, it's a double. Even .0 also, it's a double. dot 0 is a double. Through control J, we can reproduce the same line. Through control J, try saving as af.java. Compile and run. These are called as a double literals. CLS Java C space f.java. Java space yeah. Double literals. Double values. Through control J, through control J, we can easily reproduce the same line and then you can modify. These are called as a double literals, double values. Come to the next program. Char. Char values are char literal. The char should be under single quotation. Everybody? Char should be under single quotation, one character. Under single quotation, one character. Under single quotation. Go for control J. Control J. Any character under single quotation. Any character under single quotation. It can be digit also. Control J. But one character only. One character under single quotation. One character under single quotation. Only one character under single quotation. One character under single quotation. Control S. G.java. One character under single quotation. is called as a char value. Try compiling and running char, single character inside a single quotation. Single character inside a single quotation. Single character inside a single quotation. So check in the count. Space is sufficient. More people are there. Under single quote, under single quote, under single quotation, under single quotation, one character. It is called as a char value. That character can be a special character, lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, even digit also. It can be a digit, it can be lowercase alphabet, it can be uppercase alphabet, it can be special character. It can be special character, it can be lowercase alphabet, uppercase alphabet, special character. Come to the H class. True and false treated as a Boolean values, Boolean literals. Boolean values, Boolean values, Boolean literals. Boolean values, Boolean literals, Boolean values, Boolean literals. Boolean values, true and false. Both should be under lowercase without under double quotation. Without under double quotation. No double quotation, all should be this lowercase alphabets. Then these are called as a Boolean literals. Different data types. Different data types. Try saving as a h.java. I class. You can compile and run. You will be getting a true and false. Boolean literals. True and false. Boolean literals. All our Hello World programs, all our Hello World programs, we are just to printing. We are just printing different types of literals. We are just printing different types of values, true and false, true and false. Compile i.java. Come to the next program, J class. Everybody, J class. Class name is a J. You can mention a single line comment anywhere. I'll just to provide a string literal once again. Under double quotation, anything is a string only. Under double quotation, even number also string only. Under double quotation, double also string only. Under double quotation, one character also string. Under double quotation, boolean also string. Anything under double quotation is a 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 string. It can be a numeric value. It can be a double value. It can be a single character. It can be Boolean. It can be Boolean. It can be a single character. It can be even string. Anything under double quotation is a string. I'm commenting in a single line as a string literal. Whatever you keep under double quotation, see here, 1, 2, 3 is a not number, not integer, because of you enclosed under double quote. Under double quotation, if you keep anything, there is a string. 4.5 is not a double, it's a string. Under double quotation, we mentioned a Q. It is not a char, it is a string. Under double quotation, we mentioned a true. It is not a boolean, it is a string. It is not a boolean, it is a string. Come to the next one, K class. You can keep comments anywhere, single line comments. All literals. single line comment. This is the string literal ABC. This is the int literal val. This is the double literal under single quotation, char literal, boolean literal. All different values, literals in the programming. In the programming, values are very important. You need to know types. Under double quotation is a string. Under single quotation, one character. Under single quotation, two characters are not allowed. Under single quotation, more than one character not allowed. Under single quotation, more than one character not allowed. So double is 1.2, int is a 1, 2, string is a ABC under double quotation, true is a boolean. Try compiling and running. Different types of literals, different types of values. Different types of literals, different types of values. There is a multi-line comment. This is a multi-line comment. Here, any number of lines can be commented. Any number of lines can be commented. I'm just describing like int 1.o is a double. Under single quotation, char true is a boolean. True and false boolean. Under double quotation, anything is a string. Under double quotation, anything is a string. Like this, you can have a multi-line comment. The above pattern is multi-line comments. Multiple lines we can comment. Try saving as a L.Java. Multiple lines can be commented. Multi-lines commenting. So while commenting multiple lines, you have to use starting as a forward slash and star. Forward slash and star. Forward slash and star. Ending as a star with a forward slash. Star with a forward slash. Let me compile. In the program, the above pattern. In the program, the above pattern is multi-line comment. Come to the M class. Multiple lines can be commented. In the multi-line comment, you can also keep one line itself. This also comes under comment. But single line only we are commenting. This is my Hello World program. Commented content will not be printing. Commented content will not be printing. Commented content will not be printing. Try compiling and run. So two things we learned now. One is literal value. Second one is comment. Literal or the value. Literal or the value. Value. Literal or the value. So we got to know string literal int literal, double literal, boolean literal, char literal, boolean literal, int literal. Literal is nothing but value. Second point, comments. Single line comment, multi-line comments. Under multi-line comments, we can also keep one line. Under multi-line comments, you can also keep one line. Multi-line comments, you can also keep one line. That is this one. Let me show one more example. Multi-line comments. These are the multi-lines comment, multiple line. Let me go for string. Anything under double quotation. Go for int. Numeric number without a decimal. Numeric number without a decimal. Double. Numeric number with a decimal. Char. Single character under single quotation. Boolean. Only true, comma, false. Likewise, we can describe some description in the multi-line comments. This is a string. Int type, double type, char type, boolean type. All we have kept here. By using multiple lines, we can describe by using multiple lines. By using multiple lines, we can describe By using multiple lines, we can describe by using multiple lines, we can describe any. You can call these are multi-line comments. Multiple lines, multiple lines describing. Well, compiling and run. Several hello world programs, but we understood only two things. We understood only two things. One is what are the available literals? String, int, boolean, char, double. Available literals, available values, available values. What are the different available values? What are the different available values? Second point, how to comment. How we can comment a single line, how we can comment multi lines. Under multi lines, even single line also can be commented. Come to the O class. I just mentioned hello. Save, just to compile and run. You will be getting hello. This is not a new to you. It's very simple hello world program. Now, everybody, how to modify same Java file? Modifying same Java file. Come to the O class, everybody. Control J. We already compiled and ran. I'm adding one more line. I'm adding one more line. Modifying. For every modification, first and foremost one save. Everybody, do the save. We modified, we modified existing program. Save it, save it. After saving, recompile and run. Recompile and run. Recompile and run. Recompile and run. Come to the o.java. Once again try modifying Control J. Observe everybody. Whenever you modify, the file will be looking with a red mark. You can check it out. The tab o.java in the red mark. This red mark says like you modified and not saved yet. You can see the red mark in the bottom. That red mark says, you can see red mark. That red mark says you modified, not saved yet. You modified, not saved yet. Control S. You have modified and not saved yet. Control S. For every modification, you need to save, then recompile, rerun. For every modification, you need to recompile and run. Save, recompile, run. Save, recompile, run. Save, recompile, and run. Let me show one more time, everybody. Guys, I added one more line. As soon as I'm adding, before saving, you can see the red color. Tab is in the red color. Tab, bottom tab. Control S, no red color. Recompile and run. Done, everybody. Come to the next one. I'll show once again. Modifying is very important. Initially, P class. Just to save it, compile and run. P class, save, compile and run. P class, save, compile and run. Save, compile and run. We ran the program. We ran the program. Now, everybody try modifying. Control J. Control J from the SOP. You can see the red line. Tab is with the red color. Control S. Control S. Recompile and run. For every modification, without fail, save, recompile, save, recompile, save, recompile. If you are not saving, you won't get latest details. If you are not recompiling, you won't get latest details. Save and recompile. Again, come back. Let me modify. I'm adding one more line. You can see the red mark. Bottom tab shows red mark. That red mark is modified yet to save. Modified, not saved. Control S. Saving is done. After saving is done, recompile. Without fail, recompile. Without fail, recompile. Without fail, you need to recompile. Now everybody, come to the February batch DAV. You can find o.java.back, p.java.back. Are you able to see two back files? Everybody? Two back files are there? Check in the February batch DAV, everybody. Not in my system. In your systems, you will be finding back files. See, two back files. Whenever you modify, edit plus generates back files. You need to guide to the edit place. Don't generate the back file. Whenever I am modifying, you don't require to generate the back file. By default, edit plus generating back file for every modification. We modified o.java. We also modified p.java. We modified o.java. We also modified p.java. o.java, p.java. Whenever you modify any Java file, it generates the back file. Whenever you modify any Java file, it generates the back file. It generates the back file. So how to tell to the edit place, don't generate the back file whenever I modify. Please follow me. In the edit place, you can see the tools. You can see the tools. See the preferences. Tools, preferences. Click on file. Click on file. Now you can see create backup when saving. There is one checkbox. There is one checkbox. Create backup when saving. Create backup when saving. Create backup when saving. Backup file. Just uncheck that one. There is a checkbox. Are you able to see? You can see my mouse movement. This is checked by default. Uncheck it. You can observe my mouse movement. Uncheck. Apply. Apply. Okay. From now onwards, back file will not be generating. Whatever already back files are there, select and remove. Come to the February batch. O back file remove. P back file also remove. O back file you can remove. P back file also you can remove. See the WhatsApp? Where is your mobile? So I mentioned 10 o'clock, start the Rupesh. Just to go and start. Question paper you don't. Ask to Kiran, he'll send immediately. Kiran. Sorry, Sridhar. Now modify everybody. First remove back file O, back file P. Come on. You removed back file O, back file P. Modify P. I modified several times. Control S. Modify P.Java. Modify multiple times P.Java. Compile and run. Check it out. Back file is created or not. Back file created or not. Whether back file created or not. No back file as we told to edit place. And everybody? I'll show once again. Everybody, please follow me. Go to the tools, preferences, file. There is a create backup file when saving. It should be unchecked. Unchecked. After unchecking, apply OK. After unchecking, apply OK. Now, if any back file already there, remove the back file. If any back file already there, remove it. From now onwards, edit place will not be generating back file. Come to the p.java. I just modified. I made as a one line from the multiple lines. This is also modification. After modifying, you can see the red mark. Control S. Control S. Recompile and run. Now you can see no back file. Recompile and run. Back file is not there. Back file is not there. No back file. Very simple points we have seen today. We got to know all literals. We got to know all comments. We got to know how to modify the file. For every modification, saving, recompiling, running. By default, edit plus generating one back file while modifying. We got to know the procedure of explaining to the edit place, don't develop a back file whenever modifying. Today's concepts are completely hello world concepts. Please go through completely. We will continue same in the next class. Tomorrow also the same timing. Be here by 9 o'clock sharply tomorrow.